To crop a video in the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required video you like to crop. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the photo. Next, tap transform icon. Here you can see that crop handles appear on the corner. Tap the ratio icon and then select the desired aspect ratio you like to use. As the example, we will select portrait view with 4:5 aspect ratio so that the video will fit for Instagram content. Now drag the handles until you have cropped to the perfect video size. If needed, you can drag the selected area to make sure that the desired part of the video is selected. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.